This is a 2-pack of Henley t-shirts we were sent a review from Arshiner. I have an important sizing tip. Mainly, check the product page carefully. We ordered the wrong size. We got the 12, thinking it would fit my 11-year-old son, but actually the 12, they recommend it for ages 9 to 10 years old. So it's a little big on my 8-year-old and much too small for my 11-year-old. So just check the sizing on the page carefully. Other than that, really great shirt, really soft, nice material. This is a cute little detail here. It's a V-neck. It's not gonna button shut. Those are just decorative. Really cute little tortoiseshell buttons. The thread matches the shirt. The collar is like very minimalistic, very cute. Nice length for wearing it out or tucking it in. Give me a spin. Really comfy. You can dress it down for play clothes, for school, camp. You could dress it up with nice pants or a skirt. Many options. We love it. This is the light green and navy set. Remember, it comes in 2 packs, tons of color options to choose from. And then the navy one again, we've got those great tortoiseshell buttons with the thread that matches the shirt. Great shirts, great quality. We love these from Arshiner and we know you will too.